In today's fast-paced digital landscape, many businesses struggle to keep up with the ever-evolving world of digital marketing. That's where Digital Vedik steps in as your trusted partner in business growth. We understand that navigating social media, performance advertising, SEO, and content marketing can feel overwhelming. But it doesn't have to be. Imagine harnessing the power of social media marketing to connect with your audience on a deeper level. With tailored strategies, we help you engage and grow your community, turning followers into loyal customers. Our performance advertising ensures that every dollar you spend is optimized for maximum return, targeting the right people at the right time. SEO and content marketing are crucial for visibility. Our team crafts compelling content that not only resonates with your audience, but also ranks high on search engines. This means more traffic to your site and more opportunities for conversions. And let's not forget about website optimization. A seamless user experience can make all the difference. We analyze and enhance your website to ensure it's not just visually appealing, but also functional and fast. One of our clients, a small e-commerce business, came to us feeling lost in the digital noise. They were struggling to attract visitors and convert sales. After implementing our data-driven strategies, we saw a remarkable transformation. Within just 3 months, their website traffic increased by 150% and their sales doubled. That's the kind of impact we strive for. If you're ready to take your business to the next level, visit our website. There, you'll find a wealth of resources and insights to help you navigate the digital landscape. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and strategies that can empower your business growth. Let's embark on this journey together and unlock your full potential in the digital world.